HF welding versus TIG welding in tube mill line. In tube mill production, welding plays a critical role in determining the quality, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness of the finished tube. Two widely used methods are high-frequency welding and tungsten inert gas welding, each offering unique benefits for different applications. On the other hand, TIG welding employs a non-consumable tungsten electrode and inert shielding gas to create precise, high-quality welds. TIG welding is slower compared to HF welding but delivers superior control and cleaner welds, making it the preferred choice for high-grade stainless steel, thin-walled tubes, and applications requiring impeccable surface finish and minimal contamination. HF welding uses high-frequency electrical currents to rapidly heat the edges of the tube strip before forging them together. This process is extremely fast and efficient, making it ideal for high-volume production of carbon steel and some stainless steel tubes. HF welding provides strong, continuous seams with minimal heat-affected zones, which improves productivity and lowers operational costs. Choosing between HF and TIG welding in a tube mill line depends on factors such as material type, production speed, tube thickness, and end-use application. Manufacturers often select HF welding for mass production efficiency, while TIG welding is reserved for premium or specialty tubes requiring strict quality standards. How to choose the right welding method for your tube mill line. Selecting the appropriate welding process depends on your production goals and product specifications. If your focus is on high-volume manufacturing of standard tubes, HF welding offers unmatched speed and cost-effectiveness. However, if your application demands exceptional weld integrity, superior surface finish, or involves specialty materials, TIG welding remains the best option. By working with an experienced equipment supplier such as LOTOSFORMING, you can integrate either HF or TIG welding systems, or even both, into your tube mill line to achieve the right balance between productivity and quality.